Do you have a new job?
No, not yet. I have time.
Tom, you have no job for 2 months. You need a job now.
I will do it tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Do it today.
Oh, look, a funny cat video.
No more cat videos. Look for a job online now.
Okay. I will look after this video.
I'm so disappointed in you, Tom. How many people are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family. It is a big family.
6? Wow. Who is in your family?
My mom, my dad, 2 sisters, and my little brother.
Nice. Do you all live in the same house?
Yes, we all live in one house.
Are you all friends?
Yes, most of the time. But sometimes it is not easy.
So it is not always happy.
No, but we always help each other. Family is important.
That is very good. A big family is nice.
Yes, I am very happy. Hi there, good morning. How can I help you?
I saw your ad for apartments. I'm looking to rent one.
How many bedrooms do you need?
Just one, it's just me.
We've got a 1-bedroom available right now.
Is it quiet? I work nights, so I sleep during the day.
Yeah, it's toward the back, away from the street. Nice and quiet.
Oh, and is it pet-friendly? I've got a small dog.
Yep, dogs under 20 are totally fine.
Wait, 20 pounds? I paid 400 pounds in adoption fees for him.
No, I mean weight, not money.
Oh, right.
So, is your dog under 20 pounds? That's about 9 kilo.
Yeah, he's only 6 kilos.
Perfect. Do you want to check out the place?
Sure.
Hi, are you okay?
Hi, I am okay.
Did you talk to your boyfriend?
Yes, we are not together now.
Oh, I see.
I am a little sad.
I know, but this is good.
Good? Why?
He was not a good boyfriend.
I know. He was not very nice to me.
You are right. He was not nice.
I was sad for a long time.
Now you can be happy.
You helped me, thank you.
You are strong. You did a good thing.
It is hard.
I know, but you will be okay.
Thank you for being my friend.
Of course, I am always here for you.
You are a great friend. Hello, Jim. You look sad. What is the problem?
My math test was not good. I didn't work hard.
Oh, I am sorry.
It's okay.
The test is finished. Be happy, my friend. I can help.
What can we do now?
Let's go to the beach.
The beach?
Yes, the beach is nice. Maybe you will be happy.
Okay, good idea. Let's go.
Wow, the sea is beautiful, yes?
Yes, it is very beautiful. Thank you, Anna.
You are welcome. I am happy you feel good now.